definitely I'm gonna have to cut this.
I just fired you. I was like, wow. Yo, cut.
Welcome back to the channel, and of course if you're new, this is Kickz and Fits. Today we got a review on the Nike Zoom 2K of 2000. This is a triple white colorway, and ooh, this colorway is definitely clean and it's definitely must have. It retails at £80 in the UK, or maybe $100 if you're in the US, or depending on where you are. Now the biggest question everyone wants to know is, are they comfortable? Do they fit true to size? It is true to size. It fits very well and snug. I have a slim foot, so for me it fits very comfortable. If you have a wider foot, I'd definitely say maybe go up half a size, but even when I went up half a size, it still kind of felt pretty loose. If you do get the chance, then definitely go to any stores that sell them. Some stores like JD Sports, Foot Locker, and Nike of course. Pretty much any big retailing sneaker store. So yeah, this is definitely a pair of trainers you need. But the price is cheap, well, cheaper than regular big names. Very comfortable, so it's an everyday pair of sneakers you want to wear. They actually remind me of a pair of Yeezy. Don't worry, this is not my foot. I don't have to. They definitely remind me of a pair of Yeezy 700s. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but can you see the top? The toe box. Yeah, is there anything I should add to it?
I don't know you. What's your script?
So what do you think about the change? You know, I didn't think to it.
They're nice. Yeah, they're cool. They're cool.
I'm gonna say this now. Definitely, this colorway is a dirt magnet. Like I just walked out for a couple of seconds.
Summer fit.
Like, yeah, but summer
fit.
You definitely want to get a pair of these for summer, and make sure your socks are icy white because, yeah. So what I love about these trainers, it gives the vintage, old school kind of look that you can get from wearing these. It tells you, of course, it's Zoom 2000 across the shoes. On the back as well, it has Zoom Air. A rubber outsole traction. I don't even know I'm showing it because I'm going to probably show it in a B-roll. I can't lie. Anything I want to say to that? There's not really that much into detail of the materials. There's a mesh in the toe box. Yeah, and imitate leather on there as well. So without further ado, let's get cracking.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew. Yeah, circumnavigate the globe as the cash grows. Get a nigga whack like you get the grass mowed. I'm talking slick when I'm with the big slime, nigga. Could hit your bitch, you can never hit mine, nigga. In my DM, they electric slide, nigga. No catfishing, this is not a fish fry, nigga. Never switch sides on my dog. Catch a contact, hit your ride, go to Mars. Everybody sing. I know you ain't hot demand. I'm ballin' on them pussy nigga like you want a man. I'm drowning all inside the pussy like I never swam. Hey, fuck your IG, I put something on your sonogram, I'm the man. Hey. Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew.
And that's going to be all for today. You've seen them, I've told you about them, go get them, pretty much. And like I said before, if you're a new viewer or even an old viewer and you've just been lurking around, make sure you like and subscribe. I've got to drop more videos like this. I'm only trying to get better each video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment and like.
some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew. I crush down with your money.